know?
Slam a jammer. Got him again. Every time it does that, I hook them. I gotta start modding my reels to do that now. They're all wide. Look at that. That's why they're fighting so hard. I always just bounce little bounce. Because like the rods are soft. Don't move the rods. It's move the thing about the thing. Ooh, this one's. I think this is what we had them like where you hit the bottom, it's like you bounce it twice. This is a nice one, dude. We were on the load. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you know, every day. Far harder than expected. I did it again. Bro, this is a stud. This is a stud. Yeah. You got it. Oh, this is a nice porgy. Oh, there you go. Sick. That is, dude, look how wide he is. That's a beast. That's it. Make sure that. Yeah. You're picking up on it. It'll probably be on the tide stream. Yeah, exactly. Then after that, everybody's gone. Too much going on that boat. The guy in the blue shirt about it. It's like a light rod. You don't have a light rod. Yeah, because even if you have a light rod, it's still hard. We're all freshwater. Well, I mean, it makes a huge difference. I mean, you don't think anything about it, but it's just a matter of these fish are not biting. Oh wow. Wow. That is a beast. That's got sores right there. Fatty. One day I fished with this rod on the Gen Glow. Oh, that's like a freshwater rod. So I hate that rod, and then I went and just caught like 80 porgies in front of them. Yeah. Bro, they pull so hard. This time of year, like, they're not even that big. I love when you catch them on the diamond. Ah, there we go. Where my jammer? I got one. Did I get my bait still? Fat one there too. Take it home. Normal way. This one back. What you got? Oh yeah. Bunker? Bunker. Yeah, an electric reel. Looks like you definitely. Yeah. So like this guy's gonna do that. This ain't fighting like a porgy. Oh, a little butterfish. Oh. Keep that. Oh. Oh. Same, bro. You going too? That's really weird. Oh, dude, the yellow bucktail's gonna be on fire.
Yeah. It's crazy. That's the first time I've seen one of these. Honestly, it's kind of a sick hook sit when it does that. Bro,
Butterfish.
I got him in the mouth this time. That's actually kind of cool. That's kind of cool, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, they do look like pumpkin.
Yeah,
This might be another one of them. I'm not even. It feels like it. It is. What the hell?
that one's really round.
They look like identical pumpkins.
Why, bro?